So hi guys! Welcome to my vlog channel. At syempre yung content natin ngayon is kung paano mag-enroll sa cooperative, which is yung course ko. So ano nga ba meron sa cooperative? So guys, bago lahat, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe my YouTube vlog channel at Brian Algebra Press 2191. Syempre mag-aaral ka rin sa PUP para maklaim mo tong PUP cooperative sa course. Kasi sobrang ganda nito guys kasi maraming gustong kumuha nito pero konti lang yung pumapasa kasi sobrang high standard sa PUP. So, kailangan mapasa mo yung PUPSET score ng 85% ng average mo kasi 85% ng score mo doon is pasok ka talaga sa Department of Cooperatives. And syempre, pangalawa is kapag napasa mo yung 85% score sa PUPSET, you can proceed to Department of Cooperatives, College of Social Science and Development. And which is hanapin niya doon si Dr. Hilda Felipe San Gabriel ng Chairperson of Department of Cooperatives. Siyempre, maraming course to at siyempre may major ka rin dito na Accounting and Enterprise Management. So guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe my YouTube vlog channel at Brian Algebra Press 2191. At siyempre guys, bago ang lahat, siyempre pagkatapos ng process na yun ay mag-inquire kayo kay Dr. Hilda San Gabriel ng course para sa slot na yun. So guys, kapag may questions po kayo dito sa vlog na to, is feel free to comment and pakisubscribe na din. So see you in my next vlog guys. Bye!